Today I wanted to do a video that's a little different than our normal. We finally got our new editing program so we can do videos kind of like how we used to, and I thank all of you for hanging in there and being patient with me because I know our quality of video hasn't been exceptional lately, so thank you guys for joining in with us anyway. So today I'm going to show you our farm chores, our regular everyday duties. The only thing I think I didn't add was the egg washing, but I have everything else in there, I think. And I hope you enjoy it, and thank you guys for watching. Hey pigs! Hey piggies! How are you guys? Hungry? Bobby's getting your food, okay? Bobby's getting your food right now. Hey piggies!
fed the chicken.
Shh, don't tell Dad.
They're the baddies.
Morning, guys. Hungry? Look at all your eggs everywhere. You guys, huh? What are you guys doing, my little chuckers? My baby chuckers. Get you some water. I got a quail that flew out. Oh, he's right in front of me. Like these before I step on some more of them.
What would you say is better, a chicken egg or a quail egg?
Quail eggs have a great flavor, but you need like 3 of these to be equivalent to a chicken egg. But I really do love these hard boiled. So how's it going, Bobby?
Pretty good.
What you got going on here?
So what I do is I get a bucket of water, get a bucket, like a half bucket of eggs, dump them in the water, mash them up, make like a yolky egg water, and then I dump it in here. Then I get a few scoops of grains and put them in here. Yeah, just mix it together.
Any leftovers that we have laying
Food
around?
scraps, yeah.
Yep. Sometimes people bring us leftovers too, which is helpful. If you're a neighbor of ours, you want to bring us some old cleaning out your refrigerator, as long as it's not moldy or anything, you know, but some old leftovers, you can bring them down to us and we'd be happy to use them for the pigs. We gotta get these baddies out of here before we close the doors too. Look, they're eating the broiler feed over here. They are bad. So this is Bobby's work tractor. At one time, this was the only equipment we had on the farm. We'd load our wagon up with chicken crates when we had to move them to our processing area at the other farm. And now, since we have nicer equipment, we've given this to Bobby to help him with his farm chores every day, because he does quite a bit. And he needs his own piece of machinery, so. Guys doing? Troublemakers. maybe if you bump your head and pass out.
So I'm experimenting. I'm gonna see if I can water while feeding.
Yeah, that's what we used to do when we all did it last year. Bobby's taking on this, so me and Robert moved the houses, but Bobby's taking on the job of feeding and watering everything. He kind of took it on last year, but I guess it was the beginning of the season. We would water while we fed everyone. But yeah, these guys will be ready in about 3 weeks, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They're growing real good. Nice healthy birds. He's got 6 houses like this. And he's got 10 too. Some fresh water, huh? How about we get you some fresh water, guys? We've had the ducks swimming in here.
Explain to everyone why you're doing this job and not Abby.
Oh, Abby's under the weather today. She's not feeling real good. I don't know if it's allergies or what, but she's been whining all day and sick on the sofa and stuff, so I'll take care of it today. But this is usually Abby's job. She feeds and waters the rabbits and she cares for them every day. This isn't normally something I do.
What's the bucket for?
It's for all the eggs we're going to be collecting. I need you, Miss Midnight. You know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? She's still a very wild goat. We've tamed her just enough where I can milk her, but she's wild. Here. Come on, girl. Come on.
She's a pain.
Yeah, but she makes really good milk. And I have to do this because she doesn't have any kids on her right now, so for her comfort, she needs to be milked too. Her one kid ended up passing away right after birth, and the one we have left is a bottle baby. All right, come on, girl.
Perfect. So do you like milking?
Yeah, I really do. Especially when they're calm animals. Midnight's not as calm as like Rosie and Vanilla. They're really easy to milk. But Midnight's learning.
Midnight's...
She's always been a wild goat. You know, so that's just in her nature. So we're trying to tame her some. She's like 4 years old. So it's a little harder now to tame her than it would have been if she was younger.
She's not a very popular goat.
I love her though. I love all my goats. She's one of my prettiest goats, actually. And she's got really easy udders to milk because they're real big. When they're real little udders, it makes it really difficult to milk. But I can use my whole hand with hers, so instead of just using like 3 fingers. And she makes really delicious milk.
Don't you say she likes being milked?
I think she tolerates it. I don't think she really likes it. She might like how you know, I don't think she likes it when she feels really full. It seems like she's uncomfortable. So I think it's kind of a relief for her to be milked. Alright guys, so I got all my eggs. Well, not all of them. I got most of them. I have more to collect down at the rabbit house because a lot of hens lay down there. And I have my fresh goat's milk. And I have customers right now, so I gotta let y'all go. I'm not going to be able to show how I wash the eggs, but that's kind of mundane anyway.
That could be another video.
That could be another video. It's not really exciting, but I thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and comments and likes are good too. And thank y'all. God bless.